Alright, so let's go inside and see. Hello my dear friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. Alright, so I'm back from Vizag and I have made a few interesting videos while in the Vizag. So there is a link in the description below for the playlist, and also you can find a link which is being displayed at the top right here. Alright, so this week we are going to Wadakpally fort, which is quite near from Hyderabad. I'm going to choose the outer ring road so that I can, reach the destination as quickly as possible. So right now I'm 4 kilometers away from the outer ring road. So once I get onto the outer ring road, it's going to be completely, plain road. There'll be very less traffic on outer ring road. That's the reason I've chosen to travel on outer ring road. Though it is like 17 kilometers more, I just wanted to avoid the traffic and travel much sooner. Okay, my Google Assistant says keep left, so I'm going to keep left.
Continue straight.
Alright. Okay, so the reason why I chose to travel on the outer ring road, though it is like 17 kilometers more than the normal route which I have to travel through the city, because I just wanted to beat the traffic and travel on the wide open road so I can enjoy the drive instead of getting mad at the traffic. We are fast tag, so no cash transaction. Alright. I normally like to maintain my speed at 100 kilometers per hour while traveling on the highways. I feel like my car will be in control whenever I need, and it's economic also. So we are in the month of January 2021. We are approaching summer. The cold days are already gone. We have started feeling the heat, and it's going to be quite a hot days in India. So the temperature it's going to climb like 45 degrees centigrade sometimes, and it's going to be very hot. So I have planned all my travels during the summer, and you guys are going to come along. So the Google Maps shows 42 minutes for me to reach my destination. So to talk about this particular fort, it is not a huge hill, it's just a small hill as per the Google Maps what I've seen. So trekking up and down this hill shouldn't take much time. So it's just 3 lanes wide open road in front of me, and driving at 100 kilometers per hour, it's like nothing. I feel like I'm driving at 50 kilometers per hour. It's half of the speed. So I am using my new Boya mic. I'm not using the lap microphone anymore. Just wanted to see how this is going to work out. I'm hoping that everything is getting captured properly. So I still need to travel about 9 kilometers on this ring road, and then I need to take exit number 4, and then I'll be left with about 4 kilometers to reach my destination. And it says the exit
400 meters. At the roundabout, take the first exit.
Alright, so just got down from the ring road, and I'm taking this left turn.
Continue straight.
Alright. I appreciate for all your help, Google Maps.
Turn left.
So I have arrived at the destination. I'm going to have lunch, and then I'll start trekking this hill. So I've brought food from home. It smells delicious. Okay. All right, the food is still hot. Oh my goodness. Just so delicious when you're hungry and you get a nicer and delicious food. What else you want? So I've reached the destination, and I got these kids. So they are trying to show me the path. They are very funny. They are like my guides right now. So they are going to show me the route. So this is the entrance to the fort. So this is going to be a funny vlog this time, not a serious explore or something. So there is no proper route to trek this hill. It's all overgrown plants here. So there is part of the fort there. I thought this hill would be trekkable, but there's nothing but just two buildings here. Okay, let's go and see what's there here. Okay, so this is the outer part of this building. Looks like it was properly constructed. When you look at the gaps in between the rock, they have used some kind of adhesive kind of thing to keep these rocks together. Alright, so let's go inside and see. It's quite congested. So we are finally on this building. Alright, so I was expecting there to be a huge fort so that I can explore much, but looks like there are just two buildings here. I'm standing on the first one and there's another one there. I'm going to check that out right now. This is the route to get down. There's just all dry leaves, dry plants. Okay, I think I need to sit and climb out. Okay, let's see what's there inside here. I've just turned the lights on and oh my goodness, this is quite deep inside. On all the drops from the rain, they fell inside from the cracks, and I also see the sand just fell from the cracks. So it clearly shows that this building is getting older and weaker. Alright, so exploring this small fort has turned out to be amazing. There is this room, it's all congested to get inside and climb up. I've not seen, or I have not got into any kind of chambers like this in the past, so this is the first time I'm doing this, so I really liked it. So I'm just going to walk to the other side of this building. Right, so I'm just going to walk some distance here and explore around this place. There are monkeys everywhere. They must be thinking, who the heck is this person? Let's see what's going on here. As you can see, there are lots of holes on these walls. So I think it's for the soldiers to keep a watch on the activity happening right around this fort. I think this is the common pattern I've been seeing in all the forts that I've visited so far. So the intentions were to keep the fort safe and the people inside the fort. Okay, so overall this is a very small is a small word to express this particular fort. It is very small hill. So I think I'm done exploring this fort. So thank you so much for coming along with me, guys, and I hope you like this video. Like it if you like it, and of course subscribe to my channel so that you can come along with me on all these awesome journeys. Alright guys, so I'm going to see you in my next video, and until then, take care. Bye bye.